Well, hello my dear friends. So it's been long since I've made a video on time to trade, right? So recently I've shifted this channel into focusing not on trading but everything about making money online. So this is one of the legit way, which is kind of like hard way of earning money online through this kind of forex trading broker called Xness. So what I did, right, I've been making videos just like this and uploading on internet just for the sake of just uploading. Then I would share my referral link right on the video, which you can even use and you find in the description below under this video. I think I'll attach if nothing changes. So this is the thing, let's get to it. So I've registered for Xness, right, trading broker, and then I tend to have this thing which I just checked on called partnership program, where I'm able to refer you if you are not a current account holder on Xness trading broker, and then you just use my link to start trading. Let's say in that case, right? So just like this, I share you link, then you click on it, then you sign up for the program. Then let's say you have intentions of trading online and making money online, maybe you have adequate skill or knowledge about it, then you start trading. So the moment you start trading, right, I don't know how it does it, but on my end I'll be just receiving these kind of like amounts to my account. As you can see, it differs. So everything which is written reward is the money which was received through this affiliate program. So when did I join? I think years back, but somehow just think for some viewers who decided to use my link. Well, so to I don't know when is this day, on the 20th of May, right, I've earned 27 cents. This $3.56 US dollar, right, I moved it into my trading account on the same platform which I wanted to trade, and also you'll be able to withdraw it using what other payment methods available on the platform called the one which have worked for me, right, is Perfect Money. If you really need to know more about it, how mail, well, just ask in the description, then I'll help you. So there will be some withdrawal options which are available depending on the country, depending on your deposit. Yeah, so there's Perfect Money, Skrill. I don't know if it's to work for some of us. Then as you can see, it goes on, or you can receive funds from someone on the platform. So back to it. So here is a proof of some of the monies which I've been earning through the referral programs without me even continuously making videos. So here's the thing, as you can see, 64 cents US dollar received, 85 cents, 11 cents, 10 cents, 45 cents, and the list goes on for as long as it goes, right? So this is just a preview on how I've managed to earn money in a legit way using a referral program under Xness. If this video was helpful for you, please stick around. Maybe comment in the comment section so that I can get your questions or anything, even your comment. So I hope you have a good day wherever you are. And if you are new to Xness, you can join using my referral link. Cheers, bye for now.